Hey, what's up, YouTube? Another quick install video. I bought some warning plates for my Raptor 700. They were silver, but I painted them blue. So I'm gonna show y'all how to put these on today. It is kind of windy outside, so if the wind's blowing in the camera, just try to excuse that. But the tools that you'll need a rivet gun. I bought this one from eBay and it came with extra rivets, so I didn't have to try to go anywhere to try to find any rivets. And you'll need a drill, and you'll need I don't know the exact size of this drill bit, but you'll need a small drill bit because you're gonna have to drill these rivets out in order to get them off. So I'm gonna show y'all me drilling one, cause it's gonna be a long process. So because I already did that one, and it took probably about a minute or so. I was trying to be careful. So, but I'm gonna show y'all me drilling one out. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and drill the rest out. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how to use the rivet gun to place them on the plastic. So stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Okay, I got the first two plates off, and it's kind of dirty. Well, they were, so I'm gonna clean this off before I put the new tags on. And I would recommend brand new drill bits before you try this, because those rivets, they're gonna wear the end of your bit out. So if it'll focus on that, it wore one of my drill bits out. So I recommend that you buy probably 4 or 5, really, if you're gonna try to do this yourself. So I'm gonna clean this off, and I'm gonna show y'all how to put the tags on.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that I have the plates off, I'm gonna show y'all how to use the rivet gun to put the new plates on. So your rivet gun should come with this little tool right here. You use this tool to change the heads out to go with the size rivet that you're trying to put in. So I'm gonna use I guess this is the regular size rivet. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use a small size rivet. I was gonna use the large, but it won't fit through the hole. So I'm gonna show y'all. See, that's too big. But I have the small size rivet right here. See how it's going in. So in order to use that, I'm gonna have to switch the head out. So I'm gonna show y'all how to switch the head out on your rivet gun. So the only thing you have to do first is you're gonna have to figure out which head is gonna fit the rivet. So you can just figure that out by sticking the ends in. See, that's too small. That seems kind of big. I think that's the right fit. So the only thing I have to do, get the little tool that came with the rivet gun and just screw the head out. Then you're gonna come do the same thing. You're gonna screw the head out at the top. Yeah, once you get the head out that's already in, you're gonna put the correct size head in. Then just get your tool and make sure it's tight. All right, and to get the tag on, you're just gonna put your rivet in the gun. You're gonna put your tag in place. You're gonna put your rivet through. And the only thing you have to do is just squeeze it until it pops. You might have to squeeze 2 or 3 times before it pops. And as y'all can see, the first rivet is placed and it's in place. Pretty simple. So it's really simple. Just load the rivet in the gun. Then just give it maybe 1 or 2 squeezes. Real simple. Just load the rivet in. You're gonna put the end of the rivet through the holes that you drilled from the older rivets. Give it 1 or 2 squeezes.
The next day.
Okay, so I went ahead and finished putting the warning plates on, and that's what the finished product looked like. And let me know what y'all think. So let me know if this video helped anybody out. Stay tuned.